KaNicki.
Yummy, yummy good.
Yummy, yummy good.
You like good.
KaNicki, tell me how kitty goes.
Meow.
Good kitty. Is that Lexus?
Meow.
Yeah. You're so silly. KaNicki.
Yummy, yummer.
Yummy yogurt. Who was I just talking to on the phone? Who was that?
Really?
Really? That was Natalie.
Bye-bye.
Aww.
You're a baby.
You are a good baby. You're mama baby. Yeah.
Hello.
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 Been a while since we did a video. But you kept meowing, so I had to.
Really?
Really? Because that's how a kitty goes.
Meow.
Yeah. Where's Lexus?
Meow.
Yeah.
Ew. Okay.
Oh!
Ew.
Did you just say a naughty word? You're silly.
Meow.
Why'd you turn your back?
Really? Am I good?
Hello?
You're a good baby.
Where? Did you hear it? Oh, now you're gonna get quiet. You're doing kitties and trains. What if I be quiet?
You're barking at.
What are you barking at? There's nobody barking. Wow.
Meow.
You are funny. You can't come out right now. It's gonna be night-night soon. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna hear the fan in this.
Meow.
Hey, no swearing. Don't say that.
You're barking at.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. All the clicking. Hello. Say I love you. Want to say I love you? Why are you doing the beeps?
You're barking at.
Why are you doing the beeps? Silly. Well, I guess I'm gonna turn the camera off.
I'm gonna take a booger.
Oh my.
You're brat.
You're Brad. As a kitty cat. Damn it. Damn it. I guess he's not gonna do that.
Meow.
He's such a kitty again.
You're really, damn it.
Now,
Really good.
I shouldn't encourage that. That's naughty. Yes,
You're great.
you are great. You crack me up. Can you say,
Take a book. Book.
KaNicki?
Really?
Can you say it's almost time for summer?
Take a book. Damn. Stop it.
Stop it.
Well,
At least you'll be going outside.
really?
Yes, BB. And you'll be going to see the neighbors. And wearing your harness. Will that be fun?
Take a book.
Your vocabulary is getting bigger.
Take a book and shit.
What? I don't even know what that is. Yeah, I know what that is. That's naughty. And we do the kitty. Because that's cute when you do the... That's cute when you do the kitty.
Well,
Yes.
well.
Yes. How's the train go? I know. I know, honey. I can't let you out, though. It's time for night-night. You're just getting all wound up.
Damn.
I wonder if anybody actually watches these the entire way through. What do you think, KaNicki?
Ain't working out.
Do you know you have 500 subscribers now?
Ain't working out.
And your one video where you're swearing is over
Take a
126,000
book and shit. Damn.
views. More swearing. You know that is naughty. Let's not swear, okay? Well,
Well,
yes. You can do the kitty all you want. Because it's cute.
well.
What are you picking? Are you picking or scratching? Okay.
Take a book.
What? If you're going to do that, I'm going to turn the camera off. Say bye-bye, camera.
Want a drink?
You want a drink? You can get your own drink. You're silly. Wow.
Well,
How many kitties are you gonna do? Huh? Say hello, kitties.